Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to sign into your Bumble dating application on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your Bumble application. Now from over here either you can log in with your Facebook account or your phone number. For now I'm going for phone number. Guys, due to the privacy this page will be not available for you. Just enter your phone number over here and simply click on the next button. And you just need to verify your number by clicking on OK button. You just need to enter your code and just click on next. Now guys, see your Bumble application has been logged in. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon for more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.